So fixing payment issues with your bank account that your bank is keep on denying your payment is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix payment decline by your bank issue. So for that I'm going to tell you what could be the possible reason that you need to fix. So there are various reasons that could be. So the first one is you need to make sure that your bank has enough money. You might be thinking that you have enough money, but after checking, you will realize that if you actually have enough money or not. So after that, you just have to, try to update your banking method, try to, use some different things, try your banking on different website or different thing. If your bank still declines it, then you need to call them. So the last and the possible solution is you need to call your bank. So you just need to, type in your bank's name and you need to type in customer service, and you will probably be able to find their either email or their phone number as well. So you just need to call them and tell them that my bank is, I don't know for why reason, keep on denying the payment, and they will probably help you fixing that. That's pretty much it. That's how you guys can fix that your payment declined by your bank. Hope you guys find this video helpful.